Top 10 most haunted chapel in the world. Chapel usually used by Christians to worship God. But what if God isn't the only spirit there? In this video, Scary Every featured top 10 most haunted chapel in the world, including Egg Hill Church, Saint Mary the Virgin, Our Lady Guadalupe Chapel, and many more. If you have any experience about being haunted, write in the comment section and we will pick top experience to be featured in our next video. Get yourself ready to face your fear. Number 10. Arradeur-sur-Glens Church, French. Arradeur-sur-Glens was a small farming village of around 350 inhabitants, located near Clermont-Ferrand, some 15 miles west-northwest of Limoges. During World War II, it was located in the German-occupied zone of France. In June 1944, the Nazi soldiers entered this town, and for some unknown reason separated the men from their women and children. While the men were shot dead, the women and children were locked inside the church, which was then set ablaze and blessed with a machine gun fire. The death toll was 245 women, 207 children in the church, and 190 men in the barns. Today, this church is said to be haunted by the victim spirit who died inside the church. Want to go to church? Number 9. Saint Mary the Virgin, England. Saint Mary the Virgin was built in 1350 and located in an old English village. This medieval-era church, however, is no heritage site worthy of being cherished by today's generation. Rather, interesting stories revolve around this former chapel. The locals believe the church to be haunted by the devil because the altar of the church faces the southern direction towards the hell. On the contrary, churches are supposed to be built to face the eastern direction, which, according to the Christian beliefs, is the direction of heavens and the coming of Messiah, the Christ. People have reported ghost hauntings and satanic presence in the church premise. Want to haunt some ghosts? Come and visit this church. Number 8. City Methodist Church, Indiana. The 20th century City Methodist Church in Gary closed down about 50 years post its opening, as if it was established to be abandoned. $1 million were pumped by the town and the U.S. Steel Corporation into the construction of this Gothic-style chapel, which looked like an architectural masterpiece hailing from England. By a quirk of fate, when the fortune of the steel industry and the town of Gary dwindled, the church was disowned by many congregants. Soon, the upkeep of the church demanded more money than the owners could afford. Hence, it was relinquished like a hot potato in the late 1970s. Today, the church appears so spooky that movie makers have visited this spot for shooting movies like Nightmare on Elm Street and Transformer 3. Want to feel the spookiness yourself? Come alone at night. Number 7. San Martin de Tours Church, Spain. 1937. It so happened that a ghost town named Belchite, located near the city of Zaragoza, was ravaged during the Spanish Civil War. Spanish dictator Francisco Franco, who had an ulterior motive, took advantage of the situation by having a new town built nearby, rather than fixing the damaged town. His purpose was to build a strong case against the leftalists he was battling, by retaining the ruined town as a telltale of the severe destruction brought about the war. The Cathedral of Belchite is a reminder of a gory war that the former town witnessed. People said that the war ghosts still haunt the church. I think they love the church. Number 6. Three Kings Chapel, India. Three Kings Chapel is one of the most haunted places in Goa. It is believed that the spirits of three kings still wander there. The story began when King Hogar of Fungar formed a grand plan to sabotage the other contenders. So he invited two other kings for a dinner. But at dinner, he put poison inside their food. His plan worked as expected, and the other two died out poisoning. At the same time, locals get to know about his cruelty and begin to chase him. In his attempt to escape from the angry crowd, King Hogar accidentally eats the same food mixed with poison. He also dies along with the other two. Later, the villagers bury these three bodies in the premise of this church. Since then, it is known as the Three Kings Church in Goa. Many locals have reported of hearing strange noise coming from the church. Although no one hasn't spotted anything, many have heard the noise inside the church after the dark. It is said that the spirits of these kings still hovers the church. So, no one goes to the church after dark. Number 5. Old Tailem Town Church, Australia. This church in small village at Tailem has become the most haunted church in South Australia from long time ago. People for many years have been experiencing everything from gentle touching through to choking sensations. Is it not unusual for people to collapse or trance out? There's many ghost sightings inside the church. So, as word gets around about the happenings there, come and prove it yourself. Number 4. Our Lady Guadalupe Chapel, Mexico. Our Lady of Guadalupe holds a special place in the religious life of Mexico and is one of the most popular religious devotions. Her image has played an important role as a national symbol of Mexico. Also, inside the chapel, as you approach the altar, you will notice the figure of the Virgin of Guadalupe, magnificently carved in a 12 meters tall log. This chapel is very beautiful, but on the other side, keep a dark story from a long time ago. Family members were not allowed to step foot inside of the church for fear that they might catch the disease, which meant that for years, the only bodies to pass through the front doors of the burial church were the priests, pallbearers, and the thousands upon thousands of dead who succumbed to what some call the Severn Scourge. If this theory is right, perhaps more so than any intelligent spirit who have not passed on to the other side. What do you think? Number 3. St. George Church, Czech Republic. St. George Church was built in the village in 1352, but had largely been abandoned by the living since 1968, when the roof collapsed during a funeral. Many people were convinced the place was haunted and opted to leave it to the element instead of going inside. But nowadays, the ghost issue attracts many tourists from all around the world, so the church rises from the grave again. At present, the ghost church is only open on Saturdays from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Though the installation itself is permanent, and attendance is excellent with about 150 people coming every weekend. You can reach it by taking the train from Prague to nearby Česká Třebová. Interesting to visit. Number 2. Egg Hill Church, Philadelphia. The church were named Egg Hill Church because they were located on a bluff on a hill which local claims to be egg-shaped. Legend has it that the crazy pastor of the Egg Hill Church killed all his parishioners post-communion, and soon after hung himself to death. People have reported hearing the cries of child victims that died at the hands of the pastor, even though the building remains locked and empty. If that wasn't enough, word has it that the abandoned church and its premise are vandalized and haunted by ghosts. Today, is it one of the most haunted churches that we know of? Dare to visit? Number 1. St. Michael Church, England. St. Michael Church was built in the 13th century and stands tall and overlooks Pitsea and the surrounding area. Most of the buildings are already destroyed by age. Only the tower and the cemetery remain, but it's no longer a place of worship. In 1988, a group of youngsters reported that they saw 2 black dogs while they were playing in the churchyard. The dogs were described being very large and had red eyes, but not as tall as previous reported shark dogs. The dogs seemed to mirror each other in the maneuvers, mannerisms, and appearance and appeared out of nowhere, snarling slavery. They had seen them in the north side of the church near the witch grave. The group had tried to climb higher to get away from the dogs, but the dogs disappeared as quickly as they appeared. The witch grave is believed to belong to a witch who buried on the cold, uncomforted grounds and the north side of the church. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see our next video about top 10 most haunted hotel in the world. See ya!